If you are looking for photo management tools, just like I am, I've got tons of photos and they all over the place. Maybe they're even just in folders. Then you need a tool to manage all of them. Today we're having a look at PhotoPrism. We're also going to have a look at Immich, and we want to know what features they actually offer and which one you should be using for your photo or your media management. So let's check them out. So PhotoPrism combines powerful AI and intuitive design to revolutionize photo management. The privacy-focused platform helps you rediscover and organize your memories. It has some awesome AI features. It has automatic tagging, so the technology actually identifies objects, scenes, as well as people. Your photos are actually organized without any manual effort. Also, it does have face recognition, so the system learns to identify people across your collection, finding photos of friends, family members, or if you know you're looking for that one particular photograph and you just can't find it, this is the tool for you. Also, you can search by location, color, quality, or even the type of content, finding more specific memories, which is a lot quicker. And if you do have a vast library, it is perfect. With so many tools, what is the catch? It does have some technical expertise that is required. So it demands a bit of technical knowledge. Setting up may be a little bit overwhelming for non-expert users. And then also the AI features require substantial computing power. Large libraries may strain your system resources, and there's a bit of a limited support on their side. So if you do have a query, you might wait a little while. So Immich is a self-hosted platform for backing up and managing your personal media collection. It actually offers Google Photo-like functionality with absolute complete privacy. You can browse, search, organize all of your photos as well as videos while maintaining full control of all of your data. So there's no third-party access to any of your stuff. It has smart organization tools. They are all AI powered. So you can actually use their search function. You can find photos by content description, which is fantastic if you are looking for a particular photograph. You don't know which folder it's in. You don't know where to find it. It's impossible. You've been looking for months. This is your solution. Also, you can view photos on an integrated map. And then also, it has face recognition, so you can actually group and label similar faces or even particular faces and name them and have everything in a very organized fashion. It works effectively on modest hardware, which is fantastic. Their face recognition runs on your own server, again, keeping sensitive biometric data private. With so many features, what are some of their limitations or their drawbacks? So, the resource demand. It does have advanced features. It does require a significant amount of computing power, especially their face recognition processing. It can take hours on large libraries. Also, you'll need a more powerful computer than just your typical photo solutions. And this, of course, can increase hosting costs. There are also some technical barriers. Their setup requires server management knowledge. If you are not technical, this is going to be a definite no-no for you. Remote access depends on internet speed. Of course, slow connections limit your experience. So definitely things to consider. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Both of the software that we had a look at now is fantastic. However, the key takeaway, as I always say, is to make sure that you're going and using the software. You want to know if it actually works for you. This video is aimed at guidance and just to give you a bit of an insight as to what features each one of them have. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.